Now as you can see here, I have one of the markers that I rescued from the abyss from behind the teacher's board. This is the one I will be using to demonstrate how to fix an EXPO marker. If you look here, you'll see that I'm drawing on this piece of wood and little to no ink whatsoever is coming out of the marker. It is completely dry. To fix the EXPO marker, simply take a plier and pull out this piece right here. It's pretty much the same on both sides. All you have to do is flip it. Oops. All you have to do is flip it and push it back in. And here you go. You have a marker that works again.